Welcome back to our AI Academy series and our last feature focus. So far you've learned about Microsoft's AI Companion in Windows 11, Microsoft Edge, and its own app, Copilot, as well as AI-powered features in apps like Paint, the Snipping tool, and Clipchamp. Today let's talk about the built-in Photos app in Windows 11 and its own suite of AI-enhanced tools. The Photos app makes it easy to gather, catalog, and edit your pictures. You can see all your photos no matter where they come from, your phone, camera, or even in OneDrive. They can all be put together in one place for easy search and organization. Your massive photo library from a recent vacation, day-to-day pictures and images shared from friends and family, all at your fingertips. If you want to make high-quality improvements to your images for social media, you don't need to be a professional. Photos makes getting your pictures pixel perfect easier than ever. You can crop, straighten, or adjust the lighting of your pictures you just took, and AI enhancements make it even easier. More on that soon. So how does AI make photos better? Let's start with OneDrive. Connecting your Microsoft account and OneDrive to Windows 11 allows for more than just syncing pictures from the cloud to your Windows 11 device. You can check out your OneDrive memories in the Photos app. It will automatically resurface pictures based on specific content, like moments from big trips and cool birthdays. Even cooler is the new AI search. If you have a lot of pictures, it can be difficult to find exactly what you're looking for. None of these images have file names like dog or cat or beach, but those simple keywords bring them right up thanks to AI and OneDrive. AI also makes editing your photos a breeze with tools like Auto Enhance, Background Blur, and Generative Erase. Auto Enhance takes the guesswork out of the fine-tuned adjustments and makes your images pop with a click of a button. You can find Auto Enhance under the Filter section once a photo has been opened for edits. If you want to continue to make changes, you can find more options under Adjustment. Blurring backgrounds used to be a tedious task meant only for editing professionals or complex software, but thanks to AI, you can blur or completely remove the background of an image in just a few clicks. In the editing view, select Background and watch as your image is automatically analyzed to determine what is and isn't the background. You can then blur, remove, or even replace the background super easy. But what if you need to remove something in the foreground? Just use Generative Erase, the newest AI-powered tool in Photos. Just brush over the areas of the photo you want removed. Generative Erase uses AI to determine how to fill in the removed areas based on the composition of your photo. Again, this sort of tool used to be exclusive to pricey photo software, but now it's available to everyone built into Windows 11. Whether you need a quick touch-up to a family photo, need to find that long-lost vacation photo for a scrapbook, or just want to improve your social media game, the Photos app's new AI tools make the everyday easier. In our next and final AI Academy installment, we will wrap up the entire series and highlight where Microsoft's AI journey goes from here. See you then.